guys, today we're learning about assembly. Yeah, assembly is a low level. So who knows assembly? Let's go with assembly. 아이고. Monday's your day off? Hey, you used to pay attention to my Monday stream too! Shake my head. 자, assembly is... Oh, are you reading Wiki? Yeah, it's a low-level programming language. Low level? It's okay. HRY? Dude, I have no clue where that guy is. He's like... Here's the thing, Detsy. Let me just talk to you about one thing. They have my name, but they never come to my stream. Swear to God, they disappear somewhere. 로키님 어서 오세요. You hate assembly? Oh, I'm sorry. Cause there's a guy who has 진리만 봅니다 밴해주세요. You know that thing that they have? And that guy never comes to my streams. He comes like once a while to say hi and then troll and then leaves. It means like I only watch Jinri ban me and he doesn't come. So I guess they're promoting me. They're marketing me. Yeah. He got banned. Yeah. He got banned from he got banned from my channel because he only watches me. Oh really? That's funny. Anyways, guys. Okay, focus, guys. Let's talk about assembly. 자, assembly is a low-level programming language. What does that mean? Low-level programming language. I don't know what that means. Focus. In which there are very strong correspondence between the instructions in the language and the architecture, machine code instruction. What? Can we do anything but assembly? Sorry guys, it was picked. People paid for this. People paid to learn about this. So if you don't want this, you gotta pay more than that. You know, it's like an auction. So that's how our system rolls, you know. It's low level, but this language will mad you. Oh really? Is it hard? Oh dude, it's these type of language? It looks like this, guys. Oh, that is disgusting, guys. What is this? Ew. Less abstract abstraction? Oh really? It's lovely? Oh, dude, I don't know about you, man. 자, assembly code is converted into executable machine code by Unity program. 아, 이것도 Unity 쓰구나. This uses Unity, guys. Referred to as an assembler, the conversion process is referred to as assembly, as in assembling the source code. Oh, is that why it's called assembly? Is it utility? Utility program. I might need glasses these days. It's lenguaje ensamblador in Spanish. Oh, am I a programmer? No. 투수님 어서 오세요. Yeah, I made the font bigger, but it just like squinched to the side. Yeah. Glitzy, shut up. What are you trolling? They're fashion glasses. So utility. Sorry, I can't spell. Utility. Okay. Yeah. 아, 그래서 여기서 이제 converging is assembling the source code, so it's used as one statement per machine instruction. What is that? But comments and statements that are assembler directives, macros, and symbolic labels of program and memory locations are often supported. What? Brain fog? Oh! We gotta pick that one. Not being rude or anything, but you better run away from this language because it might make you literally go insane. Oh, is that what happened to you? Sparrow, are you insane now? Yeah, we're not actually programming in this. We're just Wikipediaing. Yeah. 자, term assembler is generally attributed to Wilkes, Wheeler, and Gill in their 1951 book. What? So 1951 book. They had a book named The Preparation of Wow, 1951 book about programming electronic digital computers. Wow. Who, however, used the term to mean a program that assembles another program, consisting of several sections into a single program. Why do they make the term so expensive? So it's program. Sorry, I can't spell today. Oh, that's a 5. Sorry, I can't. Okay, I have bad handwriting. Do you have a problem? Just kidding. I have bad handwriting, guys. Assembles another program consisting of several Am I? Oh, I'm your type? Thanks. Maybe. Action. Sections. Into a single program? Okay, how many times did the word program come out, guys? What is this confusion? What the hell? So each assembly language is specific to a particular computer architecture and sometimes to an operating system. Can you even write your handwriting? It's a pad. Do you have a problem? It's a pad. I have a hard time writing with the pad. It's not that bad. Anyways, so languages do not provide specific syntax for operating system calls, and most assembly languages can be used universally with any operating system, as the language provides access to all the real capabilities of the processor upon which all system call mechanisms ultimately rest. Right? In contrast to assembly language, most high-level programming languages are generally portable across multiple architectures but require interpreting or compiling. A much more complex task than assembling. So they're saying assembly is much more easier. 자, the computational step when an assembler is processing a program is called assembly time. Oh, is that where assembly time came? That sounds familiar. Guys, with my handwriting, if I want to write it super nicely, it'll take too much time, okay? That's how doctors feel. Easier for the CPU. Ah. 자, where's their history? Dude, this is all syntax. Who's that kid who wanted this again? 이거 원했던 사람 어디 갔니? I wanna learn history. I should become a doctor. Oh, I should look into this. So guys, there's assembly language and assembly programming. So computer programming and assembly is a runtime unit consisting of types and other resources. Oh, so don't get confused, guys. So there's assembly language and assembly programming, guys, okay? So it uses mnemonics to represent each low machine instruction or OP code. Typically also each architectural register, flag, etc. Many operations require one or more operands in order to form a complete instruction. 어서오세요. Yeah, I think that's true too. Yeah, someone translate what he say. Building a robot? No. Hi, Teeny. We're just learning about assembly language. Thus, the programmers are freed from tedious, repetitive calculations. Oh. Yeah. 그러면, guys, I think assembly is a very old code, right? They never tell you even when this code even started. Do you guys know when this started? 이거 언제 시작한지 알아요? 1949. I think this is actually one of the first codes. 그러니까. That's why it's so bad, guys. 이래서 안 좋지. Cause here they tell you right after the first processor. 왜냐면 they say this is much easier than machine code. They say assembly, assembler programs are much more readable. Than machine code. So instead of you writing like 011000101, you can type something like LDA. 그래. So machine code at this time would have been something like 1101101100000000. But after assembly, you can be like X equals Y plus 2. I don't know. I don't think that's how it works, right? But anyways, so it became more So assembly is actually the God, right? It's God. Okay, shush. That's abstraction. So he's the grandpa of coding then, right? Register or memory detective? Basically, Then, why do people hate it? And, do people still use it? Because it's hard to use? It's still used? 그러면 where? 이거는 yes. It doesn't have nice stuff like garbage collector, etc. function이 좋은 게 없구나. No good function. In DOS? DOS가 뭐지? We learned about DOS. Sorry, Teeny. I'm not that dumb. Microsoft DOS. You gotta build it all yourself? DOS? DOS 된다 했었어. Last time you guys said it was okay with DOS too. 알았어, DOS. DOS? DOS is boomer? HTML? Manually deal with memory? 그게 뭔 소리야? When you say manually deal with memory? What memory? Memory. 죄송합니다. 아, so really? And because it's low level, you have to do it yourself. 아, 진짜? 아, 그래서 사람들이 싫어하구나. So it's kind of like other programming have packages, right? But this one doesn't have package, and you basically have to hard code every little detail thingy blah, right? Is that why? Is that kind of what I have to think about? You also have to allocate address and memory to hold variables. Where is memory? memory는 어디에? Low level. Click on PayPal link, log in, type in $5, hit submit. High level, donate me now. We have good question. Would there be any benefit to learn the basic of assembly if you're not gonna program hardware? Probably not. Programming equals process or activity of writing computer program. Yeah. The only people I've seen programming in ASM these days are programming for older CPUs. Then why do you think why did you guys choose just kidding. 그러면 we're talking about all the negatives. What are some good things? 좀 좋은 점도 좀 얘기해. At least let's talk about good things about this program. Good things. Positive. Pros. It's fast. And it also gives you good basic understanding of how your computer works. And you can be precise in what kind of instructions to make it more efficient and smaller generally too. And you basically can do whatever you want. So last time Hotshot Programmer noticed this being required is Xbox 360? Dude. Are you even trying anymore with your handwriting? I have doctor's handwriting. Wow, really? They use Access? How old is Xbox 360 though? 2005? 2005년도 건데 이게 2005년도에만 썼단 소린데? Optimize the graphics. 메모리 쪽으로 그러니까 assembly가 메모리 쪽으로 위주네. 맞죠? Assembly is more focused towards memory. Yeah, guys, that's why I'm repeating half the things you're saying. Hey, I'm being very mannerful for those who just listen to me at work or people who like to watch, but 대충 넘어가죠. 그래요? 찍 반만 그을까? 반만 맞으니까 반만 그을까? Have 오케이. 자. It's just that you write in assembly when you're trying to be super efficient with what the machine does. So you can be very specific using assembly, but it'll take too much time basically. Ah. So it's kind of like OBS, cause OBS I have to do everything, but if I use Streamlab OBS, then it's much easier. So OBS is like assembly, right? The old school fashion way. But if you get XSplit or other thing, then it all's perfect, right? Oh, that's how it works. 아, 청순이 어서 오세요. 오케이. 오케이요. 자, there's also terminologies that's required here. If you tell me you want an omelet, I might waste time adding ingredients you don't want, but if you tell me to crack eggs, add cheese, stop, that's more efficient. Oh. Hi, Henry. Okay. 그래서 oh, that's a good way to put it. 그러면 assembly가 되게 귀찮다. Assembly is very for coders it sucks, but for machine it's much better. So machine can thank you guys if you guys write an assembly. You know, but coders might swear at the machine, be like, do we have to be any more specific? That's true. I would be telling about all the ingredients. Oh, that's assembly. Please talk to me with only zeros at one. Okay, snack. 0010001. Okay, do you know what that means? Pay attention. Just kidding. 농담이에요. Just kidding. I gotta stop roasting you guys. Oh my god. Donate me now. Oh, that's for you, 여차비님. 여차비님 거는 111. That's the amount you need to donate. 아, 죄송해요. I gotta stop, guys. 아, 죄송합니다. I'm sorry, guys. 아, 나 너무 웃겼다. 혼자 웃었어. 죄송해요. Sorry. I only laughed. 자. binary math skills. You would need to know the specific weight of the ingredients and make sure you clear off space on the counter for the ingredients, and then at the end you must throw away all the leftover ingredients. 정말 귀찮네. It's basically baby feeding the machine. Assembly basically baby feeds the machine. You're babysitting the machine. Right? Oh my god! Why are you guys programming this? So guys, conclusion. Assembly. Oops. Why? Equal babysitting. Machine. Because we talked about some 그치? I know all these analogies, they're really good. That's why I like talking to my viewers. They're smarty pants. 그러면 it's another question. CPU가 computer processing unit이잖아. So when you want your code to central? Okay. Central processing unit. So assembly deals with CPU, not GPU. Or both? Guys, this is where Jinri becomes stupid and you just have to deal with it. It can do both. Well, we're in assembly, it's going to run some. There's GPU assembly too. 그러면, so GPU is graphics, so that's dealing with the images. What does CPU do? It's like heart of computer, but what? They both have different instructions, but can work. So when they say heart, my question is like, if we run a game, right? Then do we have to worry about the CPU being good or the GPU being good to run it better, or both? And if we're running a program, should we care about the CPU or the GPU? Both? Oh. When's a time where we have to worry about one or the other? Depends on the program. Oh, let's say you're running assembly. When there's no GPU, you don't have. Okay, sag. 110111. Shut up, just kidding. Why do. Okay, so that's another question, guys. Sorry, we like moved on, but like. So, when I was mining crypto. You guys focused. People bought more GPUs. That's why the price of Nvidia, 이가 올라갔지? Why? So when you're mining crypto, what language do you use? No, I didn't. I saw people mining. Oh, I can do it by hand. Like I like dig places. Sorry, I'm stupid. A slow CPU can't feed the GPU fast enough. Ah, a slow GPU cripples the CPU. Cripple as in CPU don't do the math necessary for the mining. As well as simple. 그러면 GPU는 simple math calculation이야? 그리고 CPU는 complex 이렇게 보면 되나? Calculating by hand is okay. Okay. Doing a narrower set of tasks, but it does them extra well. Oh. Core. 그래. Cause I remember like AMD has like 8 core? 뭐 이랬나? ASIC is faster. Yeah, I know ASIC. See, I know how to pronounce that. If I didn't know about that, I would say ASIC. 그치? Complex cores. 그래서 I always heard AMD has 8 core, and then well, Intel always had like 4 core, right? Or the more core you have on CPU, 아니야? Sorry. The faster it runs? 아니었어? Okay, just kidding. Okay, GG. 안녕. 264. Okay. 자, 다시 erase. Okay. 그러면 let's talk about Intel i9. How many core does this have? 그림 공대생들 그림판 씁니다. Depends on the model. Intel i9 막 7700K 뭐니? 78K니? Threadripper? That isn't model? Okay. You can't even say that i9 is better than i7? Threadripper가 뭐야? Did they like rip the thread? Ryzen인데? 요거는 32네? The Threadripper? 알겠어. Sorry guys. I delete again. 그래. It's the name of the chip이구나. So when you are trying to buy a PC, what do you have to look at? That's my always question. Cause you know why? When you talk about PC matching, then everyone has their own details, and apparently, PC computer like thing combination, people just rage at each other. Really? So let's say, guys, so if let's say you're a gamer, which CPU do you guys usually recommend? Intel or AMD? Really? I don't know. 그러게. 되게 많은 걸 생각해. Give a budget? I have to give you guys a budget too? Okay, let's say I have $2,000. Not CPU. Total. N64? I think that's troll. Audio engineering, you don't go AMD? Why? 왜? So audio engineering은 AMD가 아니다. I just want something like these. Like I know. Oops. I can't spell. Engineering. 는 AMD X. How about like programmers? What computer do you guys? What graphic card do you have, or CPU do you have? Most cores and thread at a lower price. Oh. So is there like 268 core? More core expensive? Then? 이렇게 됐나? 이러니까 264? Didn't I say 128? What did I say? What did I say? 어떡해. I meant 128. Cause double, right? 64 plus 64 is 128. Ultra Max has form of Threadripper. Real programmer? Are you a real programmer, Lockpick? I guess so. If you look up Ultra Max or Threadripper, they have big CPU. You used to study? What do you study now? I didn't know that either. 그러면 cause you know what I think about? Only goes up to 64? Okay. Cause you know what? I think most people don't know the difference between CPU and GPU. Like specifically. Don't you think so? For non-system programming, anything that will run a text editor, then it's okay. What? Why? 아니 나는 늘 이렇게 이렇게 들었는데 나는 graphic card I thought it was like 잠깐만요. What is this glitch? What are you sending me? I said 268 and I wrote 128. 나 진짜 요즘 아픈가 봐. I can't think. Oh, sorry. I had music on. So is there like 268 core? Oh my god. Just harmony? It's okay, harmony? I need vacation, guys. Vacation don't go. Okay. Okay. Oh. So anyways, kind of let's wrap up assembly and then go into programming. But assembly, we will conclude that assembly is 여러분 assembly를 이제 마무리 짓자면 thank you, 초수님. 아이고야, 아이고. 컴퓨터 견적이요? 저희는 안 맞춰주는 이유가 너무 사람들이 의견이 너무 달라요. 그래서 이런 건 방송에서 하면은 터져요. Let's review the x86 instruction set. Hi, Mike. Hi, PS5. Mike, are you an assembly god? 아파. 맞아요. 그래픽카드 가격이 올라가지고 비트코인 다시 많이 난다고. 잠깐만. 요즘 춤을 추는데 몸이 안 풀려. 마사지 시작하고 싶다 또. 자, so assembly conclusion. You did it in college? You should go to Intel website and find the developer manual for 686. 왜? Why? 마사지 방송? 그건 나 너무 19금인데. 나 이상하게 마사지 받을 때 이상한 소리 너무 많이 내가지고 안 돼요. No, it was about assembly. Okay, well extended. Here's the thing. Jinri doesn't remember things last night. Swear to God, every day it's a new day. I forget what I did yesterday. So I asked chat and no one took notes. And like secretary doesn't pay attention on Monday, so no one knows what is. I don't even know what I ate for breakfast, except I know I have it here. So yeah, no one remembered extended. And we needed you to type in, we're doing like 6502 or Z80 assembler. So we were? Okay. I will try harder starting next week. It's okay. You don't have to try harder. I need a secretary for the secretary? Yeah, I had cereal last morning, so yeah. So anyways, conclusion about assembly, guys. I need a scribe. Don't try harder, just donate more. Anyways, assembly는 여러분 나의 conclusion is it baby. Yeah, 그냥 it's baby. We need it needs, it's a babysitter. Assembly equal babysitter. Where's the hello world? Dude, I'm not gonna program this. 왜냐하면 why? Because it needs to be spoon-fed. Good? Right?